Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to talk about Seedtime. We're going to talk about what is it, how to use it, how can it benefit you, especially for those of you who have tried to start a garden before, but perhaps it was very stressful, gave you a headache, gave you a migraine. This system will take away at least 95% of that and make it so simple and so easy to start your garden, especially in this upcoming year of 2024. Let's go. All right. So what is seed time? Well, first I'd like to mention that I learned about seed time through Paul Dysinger. He is the founder of Seedtime, and I have to say, upon meeting him, and I went to a market garden training up in Tennessee, and upon meeting him and him going through showing us the back end of the garden management system that he created, I have to say, my personal opinion, I think this is one of the best ones. But I don't want to just walk the walk. I want to talk the talk. I want to show you why this is so amazing. First and foremost, as you see right here on the screen, there's no credit card required. There's no trial period. You can literally have a free account day one and you can do a lot. Let me just show you here what you can do. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to pull up my own personal account. Boom, there it is. The moment you log in, you create your email, you give your password, you do all that stuff. You jump right in here. Now, when you start, it's going to be blank. You're not going to see any crops here on the side. But let me just walk you through and how to use this amazing system. So the first thing you do, you say, well, what do I want to plant for this upcoming year? You go here to add crop. Very simple. It'll give you a category, or you can type it in. Say, for example, I want to plant, let's plant some cucumber. And let's say I want to grow Armenian cucumber. Now, this has, when I spoke to Paul Dysinger. He mentioned that I think there's over like 2,000 varieties, and they're continuing to add different varieties from different types of vegetables and whatnot and herbs. They're adding consistently, right? And what's very cool about this, let me just show you. Let's do Armenian. If you ever had an Armenian cucumber, they can be pretty long, pretty big. So you have the option to label it. You can customize the color. If we go to advanced settings, see what I love about this is already done, almost like a done for you system. The only thing that you have to do is to plant and watch the magic happen, right? So it'll tell you let me backtrack a little bit. When you create the app, when you create an account with the program, it'll ask you, what is your frost date? And it'll ask you to put in your zip code, right? If you're in the United States, put in your zip code, and it'll tell you, oh, you are in zone 9B, or you are in zone 4, or zone 5, or etc., etc. And it'll populate for you. Like for right now, I'm in zone 9B, and so it'll tell you everything from when to transplant, what type of crop it is, the row spacing, the plant spacing, days to maturity, harvest length windows, succession spacing. It'll give you everything. Now, of course, all this is customizable. And again, this is just with the free account, okay? And wow, just with the free account. So it'll give you all of this, and this is all customizable. You can change it based on where you live, but it'll pre-populate all this information for you. It's amazing. So when I hit schedule, here's what's going to happen. It populates it right there for you. And what's really cool about this is this right here is not set in stone. You are able to move it further back, move it forward, whatever. It's not set in stone, but this gives you an amazing guideline of what to do. So let me explain what you are seeing here. You see here that on September, and there are many different views as well. You can view it by month, by year, or by timeline. I actually like by timeline. By year, because I feel like it gives me, for me personally, it makes it easier to understand. But you can do it by month, by year, by timeline. So here you have, for example, we're planting some Armenian cucumbers, right? So in September, we would have started this back in September. Now, again, it depends where you live, but it's recommended I recommend you just follow what the program gives you, right? It makes it's because it's about making it easy. It's about making it simple. It's about removing the barriers to gardening, removing the headaches and the migraines that, oftentimes they're like, man, I don't know when to plant, when to harvest. Well, this takes care of that for you. So right here it says seeding. So this is when you want to start, I won't go into depth about what the terms mean, but this is when you start seeding, right? You start seeding your cucumber, it'll give you dates, and then it'll tell you when to prepare the bed, when to transplant the cucumber, when to cultivate it, and when to harvest it. It's amazing. It's that simple. It's that simple, right? And you can add as many, and again, this is just a free account. You can add as many crops as you want, which is very, 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 very nice, right? They give you so much. And I'll talk about a little bit what do the advanced upgraded plans and what they have to offer as well in a little bit. But as you can see right now, I have all of these, and you can hide them as well. So what I like about this is, so let's see, if I click on bok choy, whoops, I'm sorry here. If I click on bok choy and I hit that, actually unhide, I can hide, so I can focus on one particular crop, or I can have all of them show. You can delete them as well, of course. I can unhide them. There you go. See? What's amazing about this is that you can also do succession planting, which is very, very important. So how do you do that? So you go to, let's go to the Armenian cucumber right here. And what you can do, actually, I think I already have it. No, I don't. Not yet. Oh, actually, I do. I actually do have it here. So if I go here and I hit, actually, let me show you a better one. Let's do bok choy instead. Let's get rid of this. Let's hide this one. Let's do bok choy. Say I want to do some succession planting with bok choy. I come over here with the bok choy, right here, hit menu. These three little dots right here, they're kind of small. Then you hit add succession, and there you have it. So it'll automatically populate to you. Again, you get the plant spacing, the row spacing, when to harvest, when to transplant, the seeding, when to prepare the bed, when to cultivate, all right there. And I don't have to think about it. Now, so say for example, you have, like for me here, I have all of these crops, right, that I'm working on, that I'm planting, right? And I just put this here for as an example for you. You could go here to see your tasks right here. It'll tell you what to do. Wow, I have 40 tasks over to do. Mercy. But it'll tell you exactly when to seed, when to do the bed preparation, the transplanting. It'll give you the dates. And as you go along, you just check mark, do that one by one. And this warning basically is basically saying that because this was in the past, it's saying, hey, it'll tell you this is automatically moved to the entire planting. If this task was completed previously and you would like to mark as complete on the past date, please select the date in the date picker, then mark it as complete. You can do that, or you can just mark it how it is right there. So it'll give you a task to do every single day, what to do this week, what to do that week. So it's very systematic. There's no guessing with this, which is very, very cool. You can also do journal entries. I just created some journal entries today just to show you what you can do. Let me create a new one here for you. You just put your, you can title it whatever, the date, your comments, you can add pictures, and based on what you have put before, what you are working on before, whatever crops you want to grow, it'll give you that right here as well. And then you can also set your tags. Pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple. This one right here, the classroom, essentially what this is, let's just go there and click so you can see for yourself. Now, these ones, I believe you have to have the advanced plan, the upgraded feature to do the master class. So if you don't know about soil, if you're new to gardening, completely new, right? You can learn everything from, you know what, let me just show you. See, but testing your soil, planning your garden, creating your planning schedule, ordering your seeds, and we'll talk about ordering seeds, gardening tools, analyze your soil test, soil structure, preparing your garden beds. It'll give you everything that you need right here. And this is available in the upgraded plan as well. All right, so we're going to go back here. The community. In the community, there's a Facebook group that you can sign on. And I'm not going to tell you the password because it's free. So when you create your account, You click on community, it'll give you the password to the Facebook group, the Seedtime private Facebook group, and you can be surrounded with like minds, right? Now let's talk about the store. And I haven't forgotten about the layout and the calendar. I'll come back here in a bit. Let's talk about the store. You click on the store and you can literally buy your seeds straight from the site. It's amazing. You could buy vegetable and they're USD and they're organic and they're GMO free. All right. We don't want that not we don't want that genetically modified stuff, right? We want the non-GMO organic seeds, right? So you can do vegetables, you can start a herb garden, do flowers, growing supplies, different garden tools, you got irrigation, hoop houses, landscape covers, you name it, they got it right here. So you don't even have to go anywhere. It's all right here. And as you see here, seeds are 100% non-GMO with a large selection of organic, heirloom, and hybrid varieties. So it's very, very cool that they have this here. So let's go to the layout. Now, the layout is a feature that is not available to you on the free plan. They can't give you everything. I mean, they're already giving you a lot for just a free plan. I don't see a lot of companies give you so much on a plan where there's not even a trial, right? Once you create your account and you click on layout, basically what it is, it'll show you, let's just scroll here so you can get a closer look on. So what you're seeing here is basically what they're doing. You can literally lay out your garden in a diagram. You can create your house, create the beds. It's a drag and drop system and it's quite amazing, right? And they're showing you the different crops. You can literally, I don't know if you can hear that, but you can drag and drop all the plants that you decided to grow, all the crops that you added, and you can put them right there. And again, it'll give you the spacing, the row spacing, the plant spacing. It'll give you all that information. What's cool about the advanced feature as well is you get unlimited. It's basically called their unlimited plan. So I'm going to go out of here. It's their unlimited plan where you can have as many layouts as you want, different types of gardens. So see right here, you reach the calendar's limit of one. So if let's say you want to go big and you want to maybe manage other people's garden or farm, you become the manager of different farms or different gardens. You can have different garden, I call it the eating garden. You can have different calendars with different garden layouts for your clients, your customers, yourselves, your friends, your families, whatever. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if you can get any simpler than using something like this. Plus, you can also order all the things that you need right from here. Then you have my profile right here. And so right here, see it right now, I'm in the current free plan. And you can see here right here what's included. They have the basic plan and they have the unlimited. So right now, so here's what the unlimited can give you. Unlimited calendars, built-in crop categories, unlimited planning schedules. I mean, you can see all this right here. Unlimited tasks, unlimited journal entries, masterclass. Remember I was talking about the masterclass? So if you don't know anything about gardening, you don't have a green thumb, or you want to have a green thumb, as they say, you can do the masterclass and you can learn gardening from A or farming from A to Z. Nothing will be left out. So you'll be able to remove all the headaches, all the stress that comes with gardening, right? It'll give you unlimited access to keep track of anything in your garden, like seeds, soil, amendments, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So I don't know what you're waiting for. At least create your free account, get started, get planting. 2024 is right around the corner, and you know, a lot of things have happened in the crisis that we just came through, and a lot of people want to start their garden. A lot of people did start their garden. A lot of people that I know, because for us here at Tricord Ministry Saving Garden Division, wanted to start and have started their garden. But a lot of the people that I personally have spoken to, they say, "Oh, Rolando, it was very difficult. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where I can get the resources. I wish I had some kind of plan, some kind of diagram, or just a systematic way on how I can start from A to Z." Well, I share with them this, and a lot of them have signed on. A lot of them have just taken this by the rains and just have gone forward. So if you have any other questions, I'm going to leave my contact information below. I'm also going to leave the link to Seedtime. Now, I will say if you do click on the link, you will get, I believe you will get, let me see here, you'll get a discount off their seed store, off their store for buying seeds, and I also get a little kickback as well. This will help me, my family, keep the lights on, and it'll bless our ministry. And we believe that this will bless you too. So again, if you have any questions, the link is down there below. I'll leave my our contact information if you want to reach me personally. And I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And I pray and I hope that your planting experience, your gardening experience will be an amazing one. God bless and take care.